Mega merger Monday. That is how I would describe this. Raytheon Technologies. That's going to be the name of this combined aerospace and defense giant. It's going to be valued at more than $100 billion. All-stock merger of equals. And if that sounds familiar to defense investors, it is, because it's a very similar playbook to the one we've seen between L3 and Harris, which are also in the process of merging in a very similar transaction right now. UTX shareholders are going to own 50% of this company. RTN investors, the rest. United Tech's Greg Hayes is going to be the CEO. Raytheon's Tom Kennedy will be the chairman for the first 2 years. Then Hayes is going to assume that role as well. Deal is expected to close in the first half of 2020. That is alongside United Technologies spinoffs of Otis Elevator and Carrier Building Systems. Here are the numbers. $1 billion in annual cost synergies by year 4. $500 million in annual savings returned to quote-unquote customers, $18 to $20 billion of capital returned to investors in the first 3 years. So what is this going to create? An aerospace and defense behemoth, $74 billion in sales, 50-50 defense versus commercial aerospace. Last year, between the two companies, about a third of the sales combined were to the Pentagon alone. Raytheon's the top producer of missiles in the world, perhaps best known for the Tomahawk, but also has a hand in every major missile defense system made by America. Radars, hypersonics, lasers, a fast-growing cybersecurity business. United Tech makes everything from avionics and aircraft interiors to jet engines, including the engine that is inside the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, which you'll remember is the world's biggest weapons program. And result here? A company with scale to negotiate aggressively and the wherewithal to double down on tech. Tech is going to be a big focus of this. Raytheon shareholders are going to get more growth. United Tech shareholders are going to get, no pun intended, a more defensive business that maybe smooths out cyclicality. Guys, we're going to get more details on the call, investor call at 8 a.m. Eastern today. Here's what I would expect to hear from these names. That this is really focused, as I just mentioned, on technology and a business for the future. Hypersonics, directed energy, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, cyber protection for connected aircraft, advanced analytics, AI. These are going to be the terms you hear about, I suspect, on that call, and also them talking about the fact that they don't necessarily expect to see much regulatory pushback on this, and that they do believe there could be cost synergies, even if maybe Wall Street's a little skeptical about that.